All right. Good morning mga papa, mga kamot-mot. Welcome back to my channel, and of course, this is Papa Dex. And today, we are here in KTM showroom, Calamba branch. And we are together with Sir JC De Leon, ang OIC ng showroom na to. And Sir JC will give us some details about the showroom and of course the KTM motorcycles. And
Ayun. Hi, good morning, and welcome guys sa aming showroom dito sa KTM Calamba, and also of course the showroom of Husqvarna Motorcycles Calamba. It's our pleasure to have you here and vlogging dito sa aming munting showroom. Tapos yun, so guys, ayun, subscribe kayo kay Papa Dex. Papa Dex ba? Tama? Ayun, subscribe kayo sa kanyang channel, of course, and yan, don't forget to click that notification bell and subscribe.
Nice one. And Sir JC, tell us about something about KTM. Kailan ba ito na-establish?
Okay, so si KTM is one of those motorcycle brands that's basically matagal na siya in the market.
Yes.
Though, syempre, pagdating nung dumating siya sa Pilipinas, medyo parang around 2014 if not mistaken. So doon pa lang siya din pumasok sa market natin. Before, everything is all imported. Pero now, currently, the units here are now from the 200cc up to the 700 or 799cc are all locally assembled. So, KTM was known or is known for yun, sa kanilang mga motocross bikes,
yes,
Dakar Rally. They've been dominating the Dakar Rally for 20 years. Yung kanilang karera sa desyerto.
Yes.
And then yan, yung mga motorcycle, mga motocross events. So, dyan nakilala talaga yung mga bikes ni KTM before they ventured out into yan, sa mga street bikes. And of course, syempre, yung MotoGP. Brad Binder, BB33, yan. MotoGP, yung and then Moto3, yan. Doon sila gano'n nakikilala ngayon.
And take note guys, di ba? Kilala din natin sa KTM sa quality, pero yung price range niya ay more affordable compared sa mga competitor niya.
Yes. Actually, to add on that nga, before 2014, yung mga bikes ni KTM is somehow quite expensive kasi 1cc is 1,000 pesos ng equivalent.
Yes.
So, kung may 200 Duke ka before 2014, that's around 200 plus thousand. Now, ang nangyari, it's because of the ACPI or the Ayalas, basically, they decided na locally assemble na yung mga units just to cut down the cost. Pero still, parts are coming from Mattighofen in Austria. So the quality of the parts is still there.
Yes.
Plus yung yung handcraft ng kanilang ating mga motor is done by Filipinos. So it's made by Filipinos for Filipinos. Ayun.
Alright. So guys, bibigay namin sa inyo si JC ang details ng kanilang motorcycle na naka-display dito, and of course the prices and some specifications.
Okay, sure.
Sir JC, to be honest, meron lang ako napansin dito na kakaibang itsura ng motor.
Okay.
Which is, iba din yung brand na napansin ko.
Yeah.
Can you tell us more about these motorcycles? Actually, it's
Sure,
behind
Okay.
our cameraman.
Okay, so basically what you're seeing here is the Husqvarna. Husqvarna motorcycle. Okay, so Husqvarna is one of the longest running continuous production motorcycle since World War I.
Wow.
Okay, so basically Husqvarna started off making weapons, mga baril po nung World War I, so mga musket.
Talaga?
So basically kung mapapansin nyo po yung logo ni Husqvarna, letter H, and then may 3 points sa taas. Yung 3 points sa taas po yun po ay gun sight. Kasi doon nga po sila unang nakilala. Then eventually, they start producing mga bicycles, and then started a motorcycle also, and also agricultural products like chainsaw, lawnmower. So basically ganun. So ito, yung nasa harap natin ngayon is the Smartpillen 200.
200 lang to, sir?
Yes, sir. This is the 200 variant. Pero may 400cc variant nito. Yun lang, currently, it's sold out. Kasi may dumating kami 5 isang araw, it's already sold out. So, the meaning of Smartpillen, it means black arrow. Okay? So, ang orientation ng Smartpillen or the classification category they call it is a scrambler. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So, bakit siya nandito sa loob ng KTM showroom?
Yes.
By sometime in 2015, KTM acquired the Husqvarna brand motorcycle. Ayan. So, they started to own, or they own the brand since then, if not mistaken. So, kung mapapansin nyo nga, from the chassis, engine, and suspension, swing arm, it looks like a KTM bike. Just with a different design or different approach po. Kasi itong modern retro ang kanyang design.
Yes, ang ganda,
Ayun.
sir.
Yes. So, and then, this is locally assembled pa din. Pero still, parts are coming from the mother plant. Alright? So, parts quality is still the same. It's not compromised. And it's made by Filipinos. For Filipinos pa rin.
Nice one.
Yes.
So guys, abangan nyo, syempre, yung presyo
Yes.
and specs ng motor na to dahil mukhang pati ako na-excite na introduce to mga guys. So, yan. Let's see and compare all the units na naka-display dito sa showroom nila Sir JC. Alright, so yan mga papa, nakita nyo na ang mga naggagandahang bikes ng KTM. So papa, may napili ka na ba na sa tingin mo ay shoot sa'yo, sa panlasa mo at of course sa budget mo? So ayan ha, hinatid na namin sa inyo Sir JC ang details ng mga bikes dito. So it's up to you guys kung alin ang mapupusuan mo. And of course, nandito pa rin Sir JC De Leon, ang ating OIC ng KTM Kalamba. And may konti pang additional tips si Sir JC about KTM.
Ayun. So guys, ayun, thank you again for hope you enjoyed the video, of course, of yung kanyang visit nyo rin dito, checking out our bikes on display. So basically, you can get your KTM bikes and Husqvarna bikes for cash and installment din. So very affordable naman yung mga ating mga installment plans. Ayan, so if you happen to apply, pwede pa, we can assist you on your inquiry. And then, yun, kung gusto nyo pong mag-avail ng ating KTM, you can visit us here sa ating Wiltec building here in Barangay Parian, Calamba City. Or you can also contact us at our Facebook page, KTM Calamba, and also Husqvarna Motorcycles Calamba. Ayun. Tapos, yun, may ongoing promo nga pala kami. So if you're watching this video and it's not yet until, if it's not May, di pa tapos ang May, alright? Actually, papasok pa lang ang May. Up until May 31st, naka-less 12,000 si RC390, alright? Ang original price is 300,000. So, less 12,000.
Wow.
So, 288 na siya in cash. Again, it's for free. By the way, guys, pag bumili kayo in cash, all of our units are inclusive na po ng rehistro. So, you will not be adding any more of registration.
Is it 3 years?
3 years for the 400cc
and up. Okay.
1 year para sa mga 1 year na sa mga 200cc nating bike. So, the 200s. Ayan. So, sa iba kasi, you have to shell out another amount of money for the registration. Ayun. Tapos, yun, contact us. You can visit us here sa Barangay Parian. And, ayun. Thank you for visiting us here ito sa KTM and Husqvarna Motorcycles Calamba. Pero yun, banggitin ko na rin pala, dapat alam din nila yung pronunciation ng KTM.
Actually, ako ngayon ko lang din narinig.
Ayun. So, it's kind of a tongue twister na rin. So, may pagka-German siya. So, KTM stands for Kronriff for the K, Trunkenpuls for the T, Mattighofen for the M. So, Kronriff and Trunkenpuls, those are the two founders of KTM. Mattighofen is a town in Austria where the brand originated.
So, ayan guys, alam niyo na.
It's Kronriff, Trunkenpuls, Mattighofen. It sounds very German nga talaga. So, tongue twister. And of course, yan, our slogan is ready to race.
Are you ready to race, guys? So, come on.
Ayun. So guys, visit kayo dito. And thank you for visiting us again.
Thank you, Sir JC.
Hope to see you again, guys.
Yes, of course.
We love to have you here.
And sana pagbalik namin ay mag-a-acquire na kami ng KTM.
Soon.
Lalo na dyan sa ating cameraman na sobrang passionate sa motorcycle.
Ayun.
At bagay na bagay sa kanya yung
by the way
bike
nga pala, ma-add ko nila. Dito nga pala, kami nga pala dito. We're not just salespeople. We're not just selling bikes. We're also selling the experience. Riders din kami. So ako, I ride different kind of bikes. I join motorcycle events. So, pag pumunta ka dito at may tanong ka about the bike, I can definitely answer the bike for you.
Wow.
Ayan.
So
very good buy if you buy us from here. Kasi riders ang magbebenta sa'yo, not just salespeople.
Yes, of course. Yun yung advantage ng pag-visit nyo dito kay KTM. Sir JC ay isang rider.
Yes, of course. Yun.
And nabanggit niya sa amin kanina, he owns a Duke 200. Tama ba, sir?
Actually, RC390.
Yeah,
okay, and then also Adventure 390 and some other brands din. Ayun.
So, let's ride. Let's race.
Ready to race. And yun, let's ride na with Wiltec.
Wiltec, baka naman. Next time.
Next time. Wala akong stock. So, next time.
No problem, sir.
Definitely.
Thank you, guys.
Here again.
Thank you so much. And goodbye.